Hi, if you want to do PhD from world top class universities located in Hong Kong with approximately 3500 US dollars, then this video is for you. Hi, welcome back. I hope you are doing well and safe. Hong Kong PhD Fellowship is actually established in 2009 by Research Ground Council of Hong Kong. So their aim is to attract talented and brightest students from the world to pursue their PhD programs in different Hong Kong universities. So in this video, we are going to talk briefly about eligibility criteria and the list of universities in which you can apply, benefits, selection criteria and selection panel, procedure to apply, and in the end, deadline. So let's get started. Dear friends, let's talk about the eligibility criteria and the list of universities in which you can apply. So, candidates who are seeking admission as a new full-time PhD students in the 8 universities which I'm going to use shortly, irrespective of their country of origin, prior work experience, and ethnic background, should be eligible to apply. So, the university in which you can apply includes City University of Hong Kong, Hong Kong Baptist University, Lingnan University, the Chinese University of Hong Kong, the Education University of Hong Kong, the Hong Kong Polytechnic University, the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, and the University of Hong Kong. So these are the 8 universities in which you can apply under Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme. Now let's talk about the benefits that this PhD scholarship includes what. So you will get an annual stipend of approximately 41,400 US dollars and monthly around 3,450 US dollars, which is a huge amount. You will get conference and research related travel allowance of approximately 1,730 US dollars per year for each awardee for a period up to 3 years. For awardees who need more than 3 years to complete the PhD degree, additional support may be provided by the chosen university. For details, please contact the universities concerned directly. So you can if you are unable to complete your PhD degree within 3 years, then maybe the university in which you are enrolled give you the additional support. Now let's talk about the selection criteria. So the actually the main selection criteria is your academic excellence, but the selection panel will take into consideration different factors such as academic excellence, research ability and potential, communication and interpersonal skills, and leadership abilities. Now, if we talk about the selection panel, there will be two selection panel depending upon your area of study. Your application will be reviewed by one of the following two selection panels comprising expert in the relevant board areas. So one selection panel is science, medicine, engineering, and technology, and other is related to humanities, social sciences, and business studies. Now let's talk about how you can apply and what is the deadline for this scholarship. So you have to go through two steps. Step one, you have to submit an initial application on Hong Kong PhD Fellowship Scheme electronic system, and you have to obtain reference number. The deadline for obtaining reference number is 1st December 2021 at Hong Kong time. Okay, 12. So where you can make an initial application, I had put the link in the description below. And then you have to go towards the step 2 in which you have to submit full application to propose university. You have total 8 universities as I mentioned, but you can only apply to two programs in any one university, or one program in one university and another program in another university. So you can only apply it into two programs. So these are the different universities, and each university has a different means date and time. So you have to look through these universities. I had put the link of all the universities in the description below. So that's it. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment box below. Good luck. See you next video.